Hi class, welcome to art. Today we're going to be making painted elephants of India. Let's get started. For this project you will need markers, glue stick, pencil, scissors, crayons, white paper, and paper bag. Before we begin this project, I want to show you this book called Elephants by Steve Bloom. I'm not really going to go through the book itself, but there is one section that I think is really nice and relates to our project. This is about elephants and how they're painted at festival time. There's lots of beautiful patterns and textures, and here you can see in this photograph people actually painting the elephants. Look at this peacock around the eye. Notice all these amazing elephants lined up. Can you tell where the elephant begins and the next one ends? I love this with the tiger around the eye. Okay, let's get started with our project. You want to make sure your brown paper is the same size as your white paper. When using your brown paper, you're going to make a rough sketch of your elephant. So we're going to sketch by just reserving a place for the head, saving a little room over here for the ears, and we're going to make the trunk come down and go back up, and you can play with this part. And you might have to make it a little more narrow. Okay, and then you can add the ears, which are kind of like this, and the body. All right. Any corrections you need to make, you can make with an eraser. You can erase things that aren't working. We won't need this. Alright, so now that we have this outline, we're going to put in the eye. This should be right here. We're going to put in a tusk. And we're ready to decorate. Using my black marker, I want to outline everything I want to keep. So I'm going to outline my elephant. All right, now for the decoration. I want to just add some designs all over my elephant. Here you can see that I've finished doing the ornamentation of the elephant. Now it's time to color the elephant in. So I'm going to use some crayons and some marker. All right, so Okay, so I've completed coloring my elephant. Now I want to cut it out. Next I need a piece of white paper and I'm going to crumple it up. Next step is to add a little bit of color around the edge of my paper. Final step is to glue the elephant to the prepared paper. So with the glue, I like to put the glue all the way around the edges. You can use glue stick too. Just feel like white glue is a little bit stronger. I'm going to carefully line it up in the corner, press down. I have a piece of scratch paper. I'll take this and rub it down. All right, here you have it. A painted elephant from India.